AI video generation just had its biggest upgrade. Kling 3.0 is here, and honestly, this changes everything. If you've been waiting for AI video that actually works in real production workflows, this is it. I'm going to show you exactly what Kling 3.0 can do, walk through the complete workflow on Higgsfield, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why this is the best AI video model available right now. But before we dive in, if you want to try this yourself, Higgsfield is offering 70% off their premium plans right now. Link in the description, pinned comment, and I'll show you exactly how to access it in a minute. So what actually is Kling 3.0? Let me break this down in plain language. Kling 3.0 is the latest generation AI video model from Higgsfield, and it's built completely differently from what you've seen before. Instead of just generating random clips and hoping they work, Kling 3.0 is designed as a production tool. That means control, structure, and consistency. Here's what makes it different. Traditional AI video tools give you one shot at a time. You type a prompt, cross your fingers, and hope it comes out decent. Kling 3.0? It lets you structure entire scenes. You can generate videos from 3 to 15 seconds long, create multi-shot sequences with 2 to 6 scenes, control the exact start and end frames, add multiple characters and objects that stay consistent, generate with or without audio, and edit everything after generation without starting over. This is not a toy. This is the first AI video model that treats generation and editing as one continuous workflow. And that's exactly what professional creators have been waiting for. Let me show you the 5 features that make Kling 3.0 completely different. First, multi-shot scene generation. Instead of one continuous clip, you define multiple scenes. Scene 1, a close-up shot, 4 seconds. Scene 2, medium shot, 5 seconds. Scene 3, wide shot, 6 seconds. You describe what happens in each scene, set the duration, and Kling handles the transitions, camera work, and narrative flow automatically. This is huge. It means you're building structured video from the start, not trying to salvage random generations. Second, start and end frame control. This wasn't possible in Kling 2.6. You can now define exactly where your video starts and where it ends. Upload a starting frame, upload an ending frame, and Kling generates everything in between with coherent motion. Want to match existing footage? Done. Want to control how a scene resolves? Done. This single feature gives you predictable, repeatable results. Third, element consistency. You can add elements to your scene, characters, products, objects, and Kling keeps them consistent throughout the entire video. Their identity, proportions, and appearance stay locked in, even with camera movement, zooms, and pans. If you're doing branded content or character storytelling, this is non-negotiable, and Kling 3.0 handles it natively. Fourth, native audio generation. Kling 3.0 generates audio and video together. Not as an afterthought, as a first-class feature. You get dialogue with accurate lip sync, environmental sounds, micro details like footsteps and rustling, and multilingual support including dialects. Or turn audio off completely if you're making silent content. The choice is yours, but when you need sound, it's production quality. Fifth, physics-driven motion. Motion in Kling 3.0 follows real physics. Gravity, inertia, impact, interaction. It all feels grounded. Camera movement is smooth and professional. Tracking shots, pans, reveals. They work like real camera rigs. This isn't floaty AI motion. This is believable video. Now let me show you the exact workflow inside Higgsfield. I'm going to create a video from scratch, and you'll see how simple this actually is. First, I'm going to write a prompt describing the overall concept, a professional product reveal, cinematic lighting, modern aesthetic, smooth camera movement. Then I define 3 scenes. Scene 1, extreme close-up of product details, soft focus background, 4 seconds. Scene 2, camera pulls back to medium shot, product rotates slowly, 5 seconds. Scene 3, wide shot showing full context, final reveal, 6 seconds. Notice how specific I am. Kling 3.0 rewards detail. If I want to control exactly how this starts or ends, I can upload reference frames here. For this example, I'm letting Kling handle it. But this option is powerful when you need exact continuity. I'm generating a 1080p with audio enabled, 15 seconds total duration. Click Generate. And here it is. Clean transitions between scenes, consistent product appearance, smooth camera movement, and audio that matches the visual rhythm. This is production-ready footage. Now here's where Higgsfield gets really powerful. I can take this generated video and place it on the canvas. This means I can add motion graphics, text overlays, transitions, effects, the full editing toolkit. This is the game changer. Generation and editing in one workflow. No export, no import, no switching tools. Everything stays inside Higgsfield. When I'm happy with everything, I export directly from the canvas. Final render, full resolution, ready to publish. So where does Kling 3.0 excel? Let me give you the specific scenarios where this model absolutely crushes it. Product reveals and commercials. The combination of macro shots, smooth camera movement, and element consistency makes Kling 3.0 perfect for product content. You get the detail shots, the rotation, the reveal, all in one coherent sequence. Character storytelling and branded content. Because characters stay consistent across scenes, you can build actual narratives. Mascots, spokespeople, recurring characters. They maintain their identity throughout. Action scenes and physics-heavy content. Fight sequences, car chases, explosions. Kling 3.0 handles complex motion without that floaty AI look. Everything feels grounded, text-critical content, like ads and UI mockups. The native text rendering means signs, subtitles, and on-screen text stay sharp and readable. This is huge for advertising and motion design. And audio-driven content. Dialogue scenes, voiceovers, sound design. Because audio is generated natively, you can prototype entire scenes with sound and picture locked together from the start. Here's the bottom line. Kling 3.0 is not just another incremental update. This is AI video generation built for actual production workflows. You get scene-based control, frame-level precision, consistent elements, professional camera movement, native audio, and an editing workflow that doesn't force you to switch between 5 different tools. If you've been waiting for AI video that actually works in real projects, this is it. Right now, Higgsfield is offering 70% off premium plans for Kling 3.0 unlimited access. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. I've also pinned a link to the full user guide and best prompt tips. Use those to get the most out of this. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more AI tools and workflows, uncovering everything in this space, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. Now go create something incredible.